Okay, so now let's look at this when I have the word sufficient condition. Oh, sorry about the typos. Okay, catching the 8 a.m. bus is a sufficient condition for me to get to work on time. Okay, catching the 8 a.m. bus is a sufficient condition. So let's look at sufficient condition. So catching the bus is a sufficient condition is the same thing as if I catch the bus, then I will be on work on time, right? If I catch the bus at 8, then I will be at work on time. Okay, here's another one. Sufficient condition. So having two 45-degree angles is a sufficient condition for this triangle to be a right triangle. So if a triangle has two 45-degree angles, then it is a right triangle. Okay, so you can throw away this word contrapositive again. I'll introduce that in the next section. So let's write this necessary condition in two ways. Okay, being divisible by 3 is a necessary condition for this number to be divisible by 9. Okay, so let's go back up here. So I want to use this first, if not, right? So if not divisible by 3, then it's not divisible by 9. Okay, so we're taking the negation, both of them. Okay, so this is if S, then R. So if this, right, divisible by 9, then it must be divisible by 3. Okay, so we're going to move forward to just making bigger truth tables. So look at this. We have 3 letters. So I'm going to be taking the time to make up the chart. So be really careful in lining it up and in how you put the P, Q, and the R in. Okay, so the first column I'm going to suggest you put 4 trues and 4 falses. The next column, 2 trues, 2 falses. 2 trues and 2 falses. So notice how I'm trying to keep them lined up even without lines. And then the last, oops, whoa, where'd that go? Okay, and the last line here, I want to make true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Okay, so we're going to slowly go through all of this. So I'm going to do this first. So P and Q. So remember that it's saying, are both of them true? Or do they both match? Are they both true? So here, P and Q, yes. P and Q, yes. And then I have, if you just look at it, P and Q, there's no more entries where they're both true. So I'm just going to put false down the rest of this. Okay, so then I'm going to make a column that is not R. So here's R. So make false, true, false. So make sure you keep it lined up. True, false, true, false, true. Okay, so now I'm going to take the or between these two, right? I'm going to make this. So I have P and Q, which is this column, right? Or not R. Okay, so remember that's saying, are one of them true? So here I have true and false, so that's true. True and true. False and false, so that's false. False and true, true, false and false. There's one true, false, and true. Okay, so this is the statement form, and this is what I get from all of these being together. Okay,